There's a boy there. He lay under the rails while the train rode over him. How lucky he is. What will happen to one in the next life for the greatest sin?
Look, his father will either hang himself or go insane if Ilusha dies. We did something very, very terrible. We made a mistake.
I have heard you're a mystic and have been in the monastery. But that hasn't put me off. The touch of reality will cure you. With natures like yours, it can't be otherwise.
What do you mean by mystic? Cure me of what?
Well, God and all that.
Don't you believe in God?
Listen, you're angry. You're angry that I have not appeared to you in some sort of red glow, but have presented myself in such a modest form? How could such a vulgar devil visit such a great young man as you?
Then even you don't believe in God.
How shall I put it?
Is there a God or not?
By God, dear, I truly don't know.
And the devil? Does the devil exist?
Papa, each of us is guilty of everything before everyone. And I most of all.
How is it then that you are guilty above all others? When there are murderers and robbers, how have you managed to sin so much to accuse yourself most of all?
Kolya, you will be very unhappy in your life.
What's that he said about Jerusalem? What do you mean by that?
If I forget thee, Jerusalem, that is, if I forget all that is most precious to me, if I let anything take its place, then may my tongue...
That's enough, I understand. Mind you come.
Усташи меня, свидетеля неправедный, я же не видя, упрошал меня. Саши ми лукава, я возблагая, и восчат идущий мой. Душа же моя возравлит, Господи, возносились во спасение Его. Все кости моря реку. Господи, Господи, кто подобен Тебе, исправление прикрепляющего, и лишаю Бога, посещающего. Усташи меня, свидетеля неправедный, я же не видя, упрошал меня.
И благослови чрева Твоего.